Alright guys, so I've got something pretty cool to show you today. The SilverStone Technology IceMyst 360 AIO liquid cooler. This thing isn't just your average AIO. It's got some serious tricks up its sleeve. First off, it's a 360mm radiator, which means tons of cooling potential for even those high-end CPUs you're pushing to the limit. We're talking overclocking headroom for days. Now, what really sets this apart is the expandable water block. Yeah, you heard that right, expandable. They've got these 70mm fan modules called IMF70S sold separately that you can stack on top of the pump. Think of it like adding targeted air support directly to the hottest components around your CPU, VRMs, chipset, you name it. It's a super clever design that I haven't seen anywhere else. The pump itself has a slick, rotatable top cover, so you can always make sure the logo is facing the right way, no matter how you mount the cooler. Plus, SilverStone uses a 3-phase, 6-pole motor, which is supposed to keep things whisper quiet. We'll see about that when we fire it up. Cable management is always a pain with AIOs, but SilverStone has gone with a modular design here, which should make things a lot cleaner and easier to work with. No more wrestling with a bunch of tangled wires. The included ARGB controller is a nice touch. You get 10 lighting modes, adjustable brightness, and you can even tweak the color changing speed. So, plenty of options to customize your rig's aesthetics. They've also included radiator-optimized fans, which is important. You want fans that can push a good amount of air through those fins and create static pressure to keep everything cool. SilverStone claims these fans deliver on both fronts, so we'll put that to the test. Compatibility-wise, you're covered for pretty much any modern CPU socket. LGA 115X, 1200, 1700, 1851, 2011, 2066, and AM4, AM5. So, whether you're on Intel or AMD, this should work for you. One thing I'm really curious about is that slight convex copper baseplate they mention. It's supposed to ensure good contact with the CPU, which is crucial for efficient heat transfer. We'll take a close look at that during installation. Overall, the SilverStone IceMyst 360 AIO looks like a seriously promising cooler. The expandable water block design is a game changer, and the attention to detail with things like the modular cabling and optimized fans is impressive. Stay tuned for the full build and testing, where we'll see just how well this thing performs. I'm hoping it lives up to the hype.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.